Beginners, y'all listen up, okay? These eyebrows right here, and yours too, are not a coloring book, okay? Might be you, might not be you, but this was me in the past and it is so embarrassing, okay? Let me show you how I used to do my brows. I used to do this. Like this. Like this. And then if you are drawing eyebrows like that, today you just need to do one thing. Even if you don't watch this video, just one thing. So take whatever you know about eyebrow drawing and throw it out of the window, okay? Goodbye. You are looking like 蜡笔小新. If you don't know what is 蜡笔小新, here is a photo and this is exactly how you look like and it is hideous. As you know, I like cheap things because I want to buy many things. So I like to use cheap eyebrow pencils and I've been using this for really long. I even like broke the cap, so this is how it looks like now. My eyebrow pencil is not going to be a very good condition, but this is one of the better eyebrow pencils that I've been using and it's only 4 USD. Like, why not, right? Today I am going to teach you 4 simple steps on how to draw your eyebrows really nicely so that you don't look like that. So especially for all you Asian girls that needs more eyebrow hair, this will help a lot because you will have really natural looking eyebrows. Let me teach you how. This is my really bare eyebrows. I have nothing at all on my eyebrows, but I have done eyebrow embroidery before, but that was like 2 years ago, so it has lightened a lot. So currently I'm using that to shape my eyebrows, but that's about it. I still draw my eyebrows every single day. This eyebrow, I can't go out with it because come on man, I look like I have no eyebrows at all. Very hideous and ugly. So yeah. Of course, I want you to watch to the end of the video. So I'm gonna tell you which pencil I'm using at the end of the video. So watch till the end. Firstly, we are going to draw the underneath of the eyebrow first. And that starts from the first quarter of your eyebrow. Just an estimate of where to start will do. You don't really have to be that accurate. So I would start at about here. From the first quarter of your eyebrows, draw a very light line. Light to outline your shape of your eyebrows. Okay? And if you want to lengthen your eyebrow a little bit, you can do so. So the tail, you can go longer or shorter, up to you. That's the end of step 1. Wasn't that like super easy, right? I told ya this is for beginners. For the second step, all you need to do is to draw one line on the outline from the start all the way, shaping your whole eyebrow to the end and meet your first line. For my eyebrow embroidery, I feel like they did it too short, so I like to make it slightly longer. So I will start slightly to the front. So I will start at about here. And then what I will do is to draw a light line from the start all the way to my arc. You don't have to draw the line in one go. You can take your time, do it slowly, like me. Okay. And then you just need to join the line, okay, to your first line. Very easy. That is the end of step 2. Moving on to step 3, what you need to do here is to draw brush strokes with your eyeliner. eyebrow pencil. Follow the growth of your hair. You can start from the end, you can start from the front, whatever, okay? So at the end, most of our eyebrows grow downwards like that. So that's what I will do. Downwards. Can go very lightly. Remember, light shading, not coloring. When we move towards the front of the eyebrows, that is where you need to be very light-handed. Generally for our eyebrows at the front, they grow upwards. So when you draw, you need to draw it like a straight line upwards as well, but slightly curved. Like that. Okay. And then when you move downwards, you just need to go back to what you did just now. And that is the end of step 3. Step 4. I will use a spoolie pencil to blend the ends first. Blend this in. At the ends, feel free to use the tip of the spoolie. Blend all the way to where you started your bottom line at. You know you're brushing your teeth, like yeah, that's all you need to do with this. You have to be accurate as well, because if not, you're gonna have like very thick brows. When you're going towards the front of the brow, you already have some pigment that is on the spoolie because you've been like blending the ends, right? So what you do here is to lightly brush upwards. That's about it. That's the step 4. We're done. That's the 4 steps to a natural looking eyebrow. And yeah, it's really quick, it's really simple, it's really easy for like especially beginners, because to be honest, all you need to do is just look like you have a set of brows when you go out, right? This will totally work for everybody, every day. Okay, so because I'm explaining to you every step, it seems like the process is very long, but it's totally not. So in the morning, I use this technique. I am done with my brows in like what, 2 minutes? After you're done with your brows, feel free to put primer, make sure your brows don't smudge, that kind of things. Feel free to put it on top of your current brows after you've drawn them. But for me, I don't really do that because I'm lazy, like you. Okay, the truth is, how many people actually have so much time in the morning to put so much makeup? Not me! This is the time where I will tell you the cheap product that I've been using all this while, which is the... oh my god, I can't even read it. It's all gone. Like, it's literally all gone. So the eyebrow pencil that I've been using all these years is the Innisfree automatic eyebrow pencil. This is like one of the best things I've been using. It is so easy to get this. There's so many like online e-commerce shops that have this already, so you can just buy it and get it shipped to your house, and it's cheap. It's like what, $4, and it lasts me a really long time. I've been using this like for the longest time. Oh, but I'm reaching the end. Yeah, so this is what I have left. As you can tell, the words are like gone and the cap is like broken off and it's so dirty and it looks so trashy. But guys, I've been using this for years and I haven't changed a brand yet. Okay, so this eyebrow pencil comes with a spoolie and it comes with a eyebrow pencil. Generally for beginner eyebrow pencils, they come in very thick shapes, like a thick triangle. For me, I feel like, to be honest, beginners shouldn't be using that because it makes your eyebrow look like that. So this is one of the better ones. This is a rounded oval, which is slightly thicker, but it's not as thin as the advanced kind of eyebrow pencil. This pencil also comes in many shades. You can go to your nearest Innisfree shop to find out what shades there are for you. I think different countries have different kind of shades. Yeah, choose a shade that fits your hair, and that's about it. $4. This is the eyebrow pencil that I've been living with for so many years. I have bought many other eyebrow pencils before, but they don't seem to have the right shade, and they don't seem to last as long, and they don't seem to work as well for me. Although I'm Asian and I always want to get A and I want to get 100 upon 100 for everything, but this took me a few tries before I got it right. So similar for you guys, don't expect to get it right tomorrow morning because that is not possible. You need some practice to make it perfect because practice makes perfect. Thank you guys for watching all the way till now. I appreciate it a lot. And yeah, again, love me, sub me if you want to reach me.